Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do some very easy transitions between the chords for Sweet Dreams. Here you'll see that the chord changes could be considered quite intimidating and difficult. What I'll do is I'll show you how to make that much easier. If you start off by playing the D minor, which is like an F chord, but you use your ring finger on the second fret, that's your D minor, and to get from D minor to the B flat, you want to keep your index finger where it is, like that, and you're simply going to put your second finger on the second fret and your third finger. Now, technically this is a B flat seventh, but it doesn't matter. So from D minor, D minor, B flat, and then to get from the B flat to the A, you simply lift up your index finger and slide your other two fingers down the neck like that to give you the A. So from the B flat, you put that all B flat, put that all together, then you go back to the D minor, and that just keeps going for a long time. The first 8 or 9 lines are like that. I hope that helps. Bye bye.